Hey guys, my name's Jordan and today I'm bringing you guys a battle of the edges. Which do you think is better, a comb or a toothbrush? Watch as I do my edges. So as you can see, my edges are fluffy just like the rest of my hair, but that's why we're doing my edges, so that it looks a little better. So in today's video, we'll be using some of the Mielle Organics Strengthening Edge Gel. So our first competitor is the comb. I absolutely love the comb, just as I love the toothbrush, but let's see which one is better. I'm just adding some water to my edges first and smoothing that down. Now I'm gonna add just a fingertip of the Mielle Organics Edge Gel. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit more to ensure that my edges stay down. Alright, so this is what my edges look like with the comb. And now we have our second competitor, the toothbrush. Let's see how it matches up with the comb. So there you have it, the comb versus the toothbrush. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the little bell button so every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Bye.